Let's take a look at an overview of ServiceTitan's Field mobile app. The Field mobile app is the next evolution of our Technician app, rebuilt from the ground up and designed specifically for iOS, iPadOS, and Android phones and tablets. It's faster, easier to use, and built to help your technicians get more done in the field with less hassle. It provides a stable, seamless, and faster experience for technicians. It offers a modern, streamlined interface and new features that simplify day-to-day tasks. And it ensures data automatically refreshes with robust offline support, keeping technicians connected anytime, anywhere. Let's go over some of the basic features of the Field mobile app. Let's start with the job screen. The first thing you see when you sign into the Field mobile app is the Today tab of the job screen. The job screen includes the following tabs: Today, Upcoming, Previous, and Paused. The Today tab shows your current job and any other jobs you have today. The Upcoming tab shows your jobs scheduled for tomorrow and other future jobs assigned to you. This also includes jobs in the past that are still in the scheduled status. It does not include jobs in working or dispatch status. In the Previous tab, you can search for previously completed or canceled jobs, customers, or locations. You can also filter previous jobs by their start and end dates. The Pause tab displays your jobs that are marked as paused or on hold. You can redispatch yourself to a paused job, but an on-hold job needs to be updated by the office before you can resume work. You can pull down to refresh information on any tab. The last refresh time is displayed at the top of the screen. Next, let's learn how to use the time screen. On the time screen, you can add and view timesheets. You can find a timesheet and edit or delete it if you need to. Or you can add a timesheet. How you clock in and out to create and close timesheets depends on your company's setup. There are different ways to use flexible timekeeping with the FMA. Tapping Account now opens the Account screen, where you can take various actions and update your settings. Let's start by taking a quick look at your shortcuts. If you tap Book Job, you can book a new job for yourself and view customer and location details before a job is booked. Additionally, you can tap Create New Location and Customer if you need to create one. Tap Card Reader Management and then pair a reader to connect a card reader to use for customer payments. After a customer applies for financing, you can check the status of their application in the Field mobile app and make changes if needed by tapping Financing History. This allows you to manage the full application lifecycle and access applications at any time, all in one place. Let's move to the Settings section. Use business terminology settings to set the Field mobile app to show terminology that applies to your business type, residential, commercial, or roofing type. In this case, we will choose the residential type. In the Appearance settings, you can set the Field mobile app to light mode, dark mode, or have it follow what's configured in your device settings. You can use Media Upload Quality settings to set the Field mobile app to upload media at standard quality or high quality. Tap Clear External Media to delete all images stored in the external Field albums in your device photos. The images will remain on any jobs or forms. Tap Download Pricebook to clear the current pricebook from the Field mobile app and re-download it again to sync any recent updates made by the office. Next are the general settings. Tap Switch Environment to switch between the Go Live environment and the Next Sandbox environment. Note that to test the Field mobile app using Next, your office must first book a test job for you in Next from the office. Tap Change Password to reset the password you sign in. Tap Help to go to the ServiceTitan knowledge base. You can tap About to view the app version, terms of use, and privacy policy. You can tap Provide Feedback to send feedback to our team about your experience using the Field mobile app. Finally, tap Sign Out to sign out of the Field mobile app. In this video, you had an overview of the Field mobile app and learned how to use its main screens and tabs.